Unit 12 Aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acids. Carbonyl compounds are the utmost importance to organic chemistry. They are constituent of fabrics, flavorings, plastics, and drugs. In the previous unit, you have studied carbonic compounds with functional groups containing carbon oxygen single bond. In this unit, we shall study about the organic compounds containing carbon oxygen double bond called carbonyl group, which is one of the most important functional groups in the organic chemistry. In aldehydes, the carbonyl group is bonded to a carbon and hydrogen bonds, while in ketones it is bonded to two carbon atoms. The carbonyl compounds in which hydrogen and oxygen of hydroxyl moiety are known as carboxylic acid, while in compounds where carbon is attached to carbon or hydrogen and nitrogen of an H2 moiety or to halogens are called amides and acyl halides respectively. Esters and anhydrides are derivatives of carboxylic acids. The general formula of the least class compounds are given below. Aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid are widespread in plants and animal kingdom. They play an important role in biochemical processes of life. They add fragrance and flavor to nature. For example, vanillin or vanilla beans, saldehyde from meadowsweet and cinnamaldehyde from cinnamon have very pleasant fragrances. They are used in many food products and pharmaceuticals to add flavors. Some of these families are manufactured for use as solvent, that is acetone, for preparing materials like adhesive, paints, resins, perfumes, plastics, fabrics, etc. Nomenclature and structure of carbonyl group. Nomenclature. Aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones are the simplest and the most important carbonyl compounds. There are two names of system of nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. Common names. Aldehydes and ketones are often called by their common names instead of IUPAC names. The common names of most aldehydes are derived from common names of the corresponding carboxylic acids by replacing the ending IC of acid with aldehyde. At the same time, the names reflect Latin or Greek term for the original source of acid or aldehyde. The location of the substituent in the carbon chain is indicated by Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma, delta, etc. The alpha carbon being the one directly linked to the aldehyde group, beta carbon next, and so on. The common names of ketones are derived by naming two alkyl or aryl groups bonded to the carbonyl group. The locations of substituent are indicated by Greek letters alpha, alpha dash, beta, beta dash, and so on. In beginning with carbon atom next to the carbonyl group, indicated as alpha, alpha dash. Some ketones have historical common names. The simplest dimethyl ketone is called acetone. Alkyl phenyl ketones are usually named by adding the name of acyl group as prefix to the word phenone. For example, acetone, acidophenone, propiophenone, benzophenone. IUPAC names. The IUPAC names of open chain aliphatic aldehydes and ketones are derived from the names of the corresponding alkanes by replacing ending E with al and 1. In case of aldehydes, the longest carbon chain is numbered starting from the carbon of the aldehyde group, while in case of ketones, the numbering begins from the end nearer to the carbonyl group. The substituents are prefixed in alphabetical order along with numerals indicating their positions in the carbon chain. The same applies to cyclic ketones where the carbon is numbered 1. When the aldehyde group is attached to a ring, the suffix carbaldehyde is added after the full name of the cycloalkane. The numbering of the ring atoms start from the carbon atom attached to the aldehyde group. The name of the simplest aromatic aldehyde carrying the aldehyde group on a benzene ring is benzene carbaldehyde. However, the common name benzaldehyde is also accepted by IUPAC. Other aromatic aldehydes are hence named as substituted benzaldehydes. The common and IUPAC names of some aldehydes and ketones are given in table. Structure of carbonyl group. The carbonyl atom. Carbon is sp2 hybridized and forms 3 sigma bond. The fourth valence electron of carbon remains in its p orbital and forms a pi bond. With oxygen by overlap with p orbital of an oxygen. In addition, the oxygen atom also has 2 non-bonding electron pairs, thus carbonyl carbon and 3 atoms attached to it lie in the same plane, and the pi electron cloud is above and below this plane. The bond angles are approximately 120 degree expected of a trigonal coplanar structure. The carbon-oxygen bond is polarized due to higher electronegativity of oxygen relative to carbon. Hence, the carbonyl carbon is an electrophilic Lewis acid and carbonyl oxygen is a nucleophilic Lewis base center. Carbonyl compounds have substantial dipole moments and are polar than ethers. The high polarity of the carbonyl group is explained on the basis of resonance involving a neutral A and bipolar B structures as shown. Preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes. Some important methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones are as follows. By oxidation of alcohols. Aldehydes and ketones are generally prepared by oxidation of primary and secondary alcohols respectively. By dehydrogenation of alcohols. This method is suitable for volatile alcohols and is of industrial application. In this method, alcohol vapors are passed over heavy metal catalysts. Primary and secondary alcohols give aldehydes and ketones. From hydrocarbons. By ozonolysis of alkenes. As we know, ozonolysis of alkenes followed by reaction of zinc dust and water gives aldehydes. Ketones or a mixture of both depending on the substitution pattern of the alkene. By hydration of alkynes, addition of water to ethine in the presence of H2SO4 and HgS4 gives acetaldehyde. All other alkynes gives ketones in this reaction. Preparation of aldehydes from acyl chloride. Acyl chloride is hydrogenated over catalyst palladium and barium sulfate. This reaction is called Rosenman reaction. From nitriles and esters, nitriles are reduced to corresponding imine with stannous chloride in the presence of hydrochloric acid, which on hydrolysis give corresponding aldehyde. RCN plus SnCl2 plus HCl gives RCH double bond NH in the presence of H3O positive gives RCHO. This is called Stephan reaction. Alternatively, nitriles are selectively reduced by diisobutyl aluminium hydride (DiBAL-H) to amines followed by hydrolysis to aldehydes. From hydrocarbons, aromatic aldehydes. When the aldehyde and its derivatives are prepared from aromatic hydrocarbons by the following methods. By oxidation of methylbenzene, strong oxidizing agents oxidize toluene and its derivatives to benzoic acids. However, it is possible to stop the oxidation at the aldehyde stage with suitable reagents that convert the methyl group to an intermediate that is difficult to oxidize further. The following methods are used for this purpose. Use of chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2. Chromyl chloride oxidizes methyl group to a chromium complex which on hydrolysis gives corresponding benzaldehyde. This reaction is called Itard reaction. Use of chromic acid, toluene or substituted toluene is converted to benzylidene diacetate on treating with chromic acid in acetic anhydride. The benzylidene diacetate can be hydrolyzed to corresponding benzaldehyde with aqueous acid by side chain chlorination followed by hydrolysis. Side chain chlorination of toluene gives benzyl chloride, which on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. This is a commercial method of manufacture of benzaldehyde. By Guterman-Koch reaction, when benzene or its derivative is treated with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride or cuprous chloride, it gives benzaldehyde or substituted benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as Guterman-Koch reaction. Preparation of ketones from acyl chlorides. Treatment of acyl chloride with dialkyl cadmium prepared by reaction of cadmium chloride with Grignard reagent gives ketones. From nitrides, treating a nitrile with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis yields a ketone. From benzene or substituted benzenes, when benzene or substituted benzene is treated with acid chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, it affords a corresponding ketone. This reaction is known as Frieders-Crafts acetylation reaction. Physical properties. The physical properties of aldehyde ketones are described below. Methanol is a gas at room temperature. Ethanol is a volatile liquid. Other aldehydes and ketones are liquid or solid at room temperature. The boiling points of aldehyde and ketones are higher than hydrocarbons and ethers of comparable molecular mass. It is due to the weak molecular association in aldehydes and ketones arising out of the alcohols of similar molecular masses due to absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The following compounds of molecular masses 58 and 60 ranked in order of increasing boiling points. The lower members of aldehyde and ketones such as methanol, ethanol and propanone are miscible with water in all proportions because they form hydrogen bond with water. However, the solubility of aldehydes and ketones decreases rapidly on increasing the length of alkyl chain. All aldehydes and ketones are fairly soluble in organic solvents like benzene, ether, methanol, chloroform, etc. The lower aldehydes have sharp pungent odors. As the size of the molecule increases, the odor becomes less pungent and more fragrant. In fact, many naturally occurring aldehydes and ketones are used in blending of perfumes and flavoring agents. Chemical reactions. Since aldehydes and ketones both possess the carbonyl functional group, they undergo similar chemical reactions. Nucleophilic acidic addition reactions. Contrary to electrophilic addition or action of the alkenes, the aldehydes and ketones undergo nucleophilic addition reactions. Mechanism of nucleophilic addition reactions. A nucleophile attacks the electrophilic carbon atom of the polar carbonyl group from a direction approximately perpendicular to the plane of sp2 hybridized orbitals of carbon. The hybridization of carbon changes from sp2 to sp3 in this process, and a tetrahedral alkoxide intermediate is formed. This intermediate captures a proton from the reaction medium to give the electrically neutral product. The net result is addition of nucleophile and hydrogen atom across the carbon-oxygen double bond. Reactivity. Aldehydes are generally more reactive than ketones in nucleophilic addition reactions due to steric and electronic reasons. Sterically, the presence of two relatively large substituents in ketones hinders the approach of nucleophile to carbonyl carbon than in aldehydes having one such substituent. Electronically, aldehydes are more reactive than ketones because two alkyl groups reduce the electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon more effectively than in former. Some important examples of nucleophilic addition and nucleophilic addition elimination reactions. Additions of hydrogen cyanide. Aldehydes and ketones react with hydrogen cyanide to yield cyanohydrins. This reaction occurs very slowly with pure HCN. Therefore, it is catalyzed by a base and generated cyanide ion, being a stronger nucleophile, readily adds to carbonyl compounds to yield corresponding cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrins are useful synthetic intermediates. Addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide. Sodium hydrogen sulfide adds to aldehydes and ketones to form the addition products. The position of the equilibrium lies largely to the right hand side for most aldehydes and to the left for most ketones due to steric reasons. The hydrogen sulfide addition compound is water soluble and can be converted back to the original carbonyl compounds by treating it with dilute mineral, acid or alkali. Therefore, these are useful for separation and purification of aldehydes. Addition of Grignard reagents, addition of alcohols. Aldehyde react with one equivalent of monohydric alcohol in presence of dry hydrogen chloride to yield alkoxy alcohol intermediate known as hemiacetals, which further react with one more molecule of alcohol to give gem-alkoxy compound known as acetal, as shown in the reaction. Ketones react with ethylene glycol under similar conditions to form cyclic products known as ethylene glycol kettles. Dry hydrogen chloride protonates the oxygen of carbonyl compounds and therefore increases the electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon, facilitating the nucleophilic attack of ethylene glycol. Acetal and kettles are hydrolyzed with aqueous mineral acids to yield corresponding aldehydes and ketones respectively. Addition of ammonia and its derivatives. Nucleophiles such as ammonia and its derivatives H2NZ add to carbonyl group of the aldehydes and ketones. The reaction is reversible and catalyzed by acid. The equilibrium favors the product formation due to rapid dehydration of the intermediate to form C double bond NZ. Z is alkyl, aryl, OH, NH2, C6H5, NH, NHCO, NH2, etc. Reduction to alcohols. Aldehydes and ketones are reduced to primary and secondary alcohols respectively by sodium borohydride or lithium aluminium hydride, as well as catalytic hydrogenation. Reduction to hydrocarbons. The carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones is reduced to CH2 group on treatment with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. Clemenson reduction, or with hydrazine followed by heating with sodium or potassium hydroxide in high boiling solvents such as ethylene glycol. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Oxidation. Aldehydes differ from ketones in their oxidation reactions. Aldehydes are easily oxidized to carboxylic acid on treatment with common oxidizing agents like nitric acid, potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, etc. Even mild oxidizing agents, mainly Tollens reagent and Fellings reagent, also oxidize aldehydes. RCHO gives RCOOH. Ketones are generally oxidized under vigorous conditions, strong oxidizing agents, and at elevated temperatures. Their oxidation involves carbon-carbon bond cleavage to afford a mixture of carboxylic acids having lesser number of carbon atoms than the parent ketone. The mild oxidizing agents given below are used to distinguish aldehydes from ketones. Tollens test on warming an aldehyde with freshly prepared ammoniacal silver nitrate solution, Tollens reagent. A bright silver mirror is produced due to the formation of silver metal. The aldehydes are oxidized to corresponding carboxylate ion. The reaction occurs in alkaline medium. Fellings test. Felling reagent comprises of the two solutions, Felling solution A and Felling solution B. Felling solution A is aqueous copper sulfate and Felling solution B is alkaline sodium potassium tartrate, Rochelle salt. These two solutions are mixed in equal amounts before test. On heating an aldehyde with Fellings reagent, a reddish brown precipitate is formed. Aldehydes are oxidized to corresponding carboxylate anion. Aromatic aldehydes do not respond to this test. Oxidation of methyl ketones by haloform reaction. Aldehydes and ketones having at least one methyl group linked to carbonyl carbon atom are oxidized by sodium hypohalite to sodium salts of corresponding carboxylic acids having one carbon atom less than the carbonyl compound. The methyl group is converted to haloform. This oxidation does not affect a carbon-carbon double bond if present in the molecule. Iodoform reaction with sodium hypoiodide is also used for detection of CH3CO group or CH3CHOH group, which produces CH3CO group on oxidation. Reactions due to a hydrogen. Acidity of alpha hydrogens of aldehydes and ketones. The aldehydes and ketones undergo a number of reactions due to acidic nature of alpha hydrogen. The acidity of alpha hydrogen atoms of carbonyl compounds is due to the strong electron withdrawing effect of the carbonyl group and resonance stabilization of the conjugate base. Aldol condensation. Aldehydes and ketones have at least one alpha hydrogen undergo a reaction in the presence of dilute alkali as catalyst to form beta hydroxyaldehydes, aldol or beta hydroxyketones, ketol, respectively. This is known as aldol reaction. The name aldol is derived from the names of the two functional groups aldehyde and alcohol present in the products. The aldol and ketol readily lose water to give alpha beta saturated carbonyl compounds, which are aldol condensation products, and reaction is called aldol condensation. Through ketones and ketols, the general name aldol condensation still applies to the reaction of ketones due to similarity with aldehydes. Cross aldol condensation. When aldol condensation is carried out between two different aldehydes or ketones, it is called cross aldol condensation. If both of them contain alpha hydrogen atoms, it gives a mixture of four products. This is illustrated below by aldol reaction of a mixture of ethanol and propanol. Ketones can also be used as one component in the cross aldol reaction. Other reactions: Casinaro reaction. Aldehydes which do not have an alpha hydrogen atom undergo self-oxidation and reduction. Reaction on heating with concentrated alkali. In this reaction, one molecule of the aldehyde is reduced to alcohol while another is oxidized to carboxylic acid salt. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Aromatic aldehydes and ketones undergo electrophilic substitution at the ring, in which carbonyl group acts as a deactivating and meta-directing group. Uses of aldehydes and ketones. In chemical industry, aldehydes and ketones are used as solvents, starting materials and reagents for the synthesis of other products. Formaldehyde is also well known as formalin. 40% solution used to preserve biological specimens and to prepare bakelite, urea formaldehyde, glues and other polymeric products. Acetaldehyde is used primarily as a starting material in the manufacture of acetic acid, ethyl acetate, vinyl acetate, polymers and drugs. Benzaldehyde is used in perfumery and in dye industries. Acetone and ethyl methyl ketone are common industrial solvents. Many aldehydes and ketones, example butyra aldehyde, vanillin, acetophenone, camphor, etc., are well known for their odors and flavors. Carboxylic acids. Carbon compounds containing a carboxyl functional group are called carboxylic acid. The carboxyl group consists of carbonyl group attached to hydroxyl group, hence it is named as carboxyl group. Carboxylic acid may be aliphatic or aromatic depending on the group, alkyl or aryl attached to the carboxylic carbon. Large number of carboxylic acids are found in nature. Some higher members of aliphatic carboxylic acids, known as fatty acids, occur in natural fats as esters of glycerol. Carboxylic acid serves as starting material for several other important organic compounds such as anhydrides, esters, acid chlorides, amides, etc. Nomenclature. Since carboxylic acid are amongst the earliest organic compounds to be isolated from nature, a large number of them are known by their common names. The common names end with suffix ic, acid, and have been derived from Latin or Greek words of their natural sources. For example, formic acid was first obtained from red ants, acetic acid was from vinegar, butyric acid from rancid butter. In the IUPAC system, aliphatic carboxylic acids are named by replacing the ending E in the name of the corresponding alkane with oic acid. In numbering the carbon chain, the carboxylic carbon is numbered 1. For naming compounds containing more than one carboxyl group, the alkyl chain leaves carboxyl group is numbered and the number of carboxyl group is indicated by adding the multiplicative prefix dicarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acid, etc. to the name of parent alkyl chain. The position of COOH groups are indicated by the Arabic numeral before the multiplicative prefix. Some of the acids are given with their IUPAC names and common names. Structure of carboxyl group. In carboxylic acid, the bonds to the carboxyl carbon lie in one plane and are separated by 120 degree. Carboxylic carbon is less electrophilic than carbonyl carbon because of the possible resonance structure as shown. Methods of preparation from primary alcohols and aldehydes. From primary alcohols are oxidized to carboxylic acid with common oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate in neutral acidic or alkaline media, or by potassium dichromate and chromium trioxide in acidic media. Carboxylic acid are also prepared from aldehyde by the use of mild oxidizing agents. From alkyl benzenes, aromatic carboxylic acids can be prepared by vigorous oxidation of alkyl benzenes with chromic acid or acidic or alkaline potassium permanganate. The entire side chain is oxidized to the carboxyl group irrespective of length of the side chain. Primary and secondary alkyl groups are oxidized in this manner, while tertiary group is not affected. Suitably substituted alkenes are also oxidized to carboxylic acid with these oxidizing reagents. From nitriles and amides, nitriles are hydrolyzed to amides and then to acids in the presence of H positive or OH negative as catalyst. Mild reaction conditions are used to stop the reaction at the amide stage. From Grignard reagent, Grignard reagents react with carbon dioxide to form salts of carboxylic acid, which in turn corresponding carboxylic acid after acidification is given with mineral acid. As we know, the Grignard reagent and nitriles can be prepared from alkyl halides. The above methods are useful for converting alkyl halides into corresponding carboxylic acid having one carbon atom more than that present in alkyl halides. From acyl halides and anhydrides, acid chlorides when hydrolyzed with water give carboxylic acids or more readily hydrolyzed with aqueous base to give carboxylate ion, which on acidification provide corresponding carboxylic acids. Anhydrides on the other hand are hydrolyzed to corresponding acid with water. From esters, acidic hydrolysis of esters gives directly carboxylic acids, while basic hydrolysis gives carboxylates, which on acidification gives corresponding carboxylic acid. Physical properties: aliphatic carboxylic acid up to 9 carbon atoms are colorless liquids at room temperature with unpleasant odors. The higher acids are wax-like solid and are practically odorless due to their low volatility. Carboxylic acid are higher boiling point liquids than aldehydes, ketones, and even alcohols of comparable molecular masses. This is due to the more expensive association of carboxylic acid molecules through intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The hydrogen bonds are not broken completely even in the vapor phase. In fact, most carboxylic acid exists in dimer in the vapor phase or in the aprotic solvents. Simple aliphatic carboxylic acids having up to 4 carbon atoms are miscible in water due to formation of hydrogen bonds with water. The solubility decreases with increasing number of carbon atoms. Higher carboxylic acid are practically insoluble in water due to the increased hydrophobic interaction of hydrocarbon part. Benzoic acid, the simplest aromatic carboxylic acid, is nearly insoluble in cold water. Carboxylic acids are also soluble in less polar organic solvents like benzene, ether, alcohol, chloroform, etc. Chemical reactions: acidity, reaction with metals and alkalis. The carboxylic acid, like alcohols, evolve hydrogen with electropositive metals and form salts with alkalis similar to phenols. However, unlike phenols, they react with weaker bases such as carbonates and hydrogen carbonates to evolve carbon dioxide. This reaction is used to detect presence of carboxyl group in an organic compound. Carboxylic acid dissociate in water to give resonance stabilized carboxylic ion, carboxylate anion and hydronium ion. For the above reaction, K equation is equals to H3O positive, RCO negative upon H2O positive, RCOOH negative, where KEQ is equilibrium constant and Ka is the acid dissociation constant. For convenience, the strength of acid is generally indicated by its pKa value rather than its Ka value. The pKa of hydrochloric acid is -7, whereas pKa of trifluoroacetic acid, strongest carboxylic acid, benzoic acid and acetic acid are 0.23, 4.19 and 4.76 respectively. The pKa, the stronger the acid, smaller the pKa, stronger the acid. Stronger acids have pKa values less than 1. The acids with pKa values between 1 and 5 are considered to be moderately strong acids. Weak acids have pKa values between 5 and 15, and extremely weak acids have pKa values greater than 15. Carboxylic acids are weaker than mineral acids but are stronger than alcohols and many simple phenols. In fact, carboxylic acid amongst the most acidic organic compounds you have studied so far. You already know why phenols are more acidic than alcohols. The higher acidity of carboxylic acid as compared to phenols can be understood similarly. The conjugate base of carboxylic acid, a carboxylate ion, is stabilized by two equivalent resonance structures in which the negative charge is at more electronegative oxygen atom. The conjugate base of phenol, a phenoxide ion, has non-equivalent resonance structures in which the negative charge is at less electronegative carbon atom. Therefore, resonance in phenoxide ion is not as important as it is in carboxylate ion. Further, the negative charge is delocalized over two electronegative oxygen atoms in the carboxylate ion, whereas it is less effectively delocalized over one oxygen atom and less electronegative carbon atoms in phenoxide ion. Thus, carboxylate ion is more stabilized than phenoxide ion, so carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols. Effect of substituents on the acidity of carboxylic acid. Substituents may affect the stability of conjugate base and thus also affect the acidity of carboxylic acids. Conjugate base electron withdrawing groups increase the acidity of carboxylic acid by stabilizing the conjugate base through delocalization of the negative charge by inductive and or resonance effect. Conversely, electron donating groups decrease the acidity by stabilizing the conjugate base. The effect of the following groups in the increasing acidity order is pH is less than I is less than Br is less than Cl is less than F is less than Cn is less than NO2 is less than CF2. The following acids are arranged in the order of increasing acidity. Direct attachment of groups such as phenyl or vinyl to the carboxylic acid increases the acidity of corresponding carboxylic acid, contrary to the decrease expected due to resonance effect as shown. This is because greater electronegativity of sp2 hybridized carbon to which carboxyl group carbon is attached. The presence of electron withdrawing group on the phenyl of aromatic carboxylic acid increases their acidity while electron donating group decrease their acidity. Formation of anhydride. Carboxylic acids on heating with mineral acids such as H2SO4 or with P2O5 gives corresponding anhydride. Esterification. Carboxylic acid are esterified with alcohols or phenols in the presence of a mineral acid such as concentrated H2SO4 or HCl gas as a catalyst. Mechanism of esterification of carboxylic acid. Reaction with PCl5, PCl3 and SOCl2. The hydroxyl group of carboxylic acid behave like alcohols and easily replaced by chlorine atom on treating with PCl5, PCl3 and SOCl2. Thionyl chloride is preferred because the other two products are gaseous and escape the reaction mixture, making the purification of products easier. Reaction with ammonia. Carboxylic acid reacts with ammonia to give ammonium salt, which on further heating at high temperature give amides. Reaction involving COOH group. Reduction. Carboxylic acid are reduced to primary alcohols by lithium aluminium hydride or better with diborane. Diborane does not easily reduce functional groups such as ester, nitro, halo, etc. Sodium borohydride does not reduce the carboxyl group. Decarboxylation. Carboxylic acid lose carbon dioxide to form hydrocarbons when their salts are heated with soda lime. The reaction is known as decarboxylation. Alkali metal salts of carboxylic acid also undergo decarboxylation on electrolysis of their aqueous solutions and form hydrocarbons having twice the number of carbon atoms present in the alkyl group of the acid. The reaction is known as Kolbe electrolysis. Halogenation. Carboxylic acids have an alpha hydrogen, are halogenated at the alpha position on treatment with chlorine or bromine in the presence of small amount of red phosphorus to give alpha halocarboxylic acids. The reaction is known as Hell-Volhard-Zielinski reaction. Ring substitution. Aromatic carboxylic acids undergo electrophilic substitution reactions in which Carboxyl groups act as a deactivating and meta-directing group. They, however, do not undergo physical cross reaction because the carboxyl group is deactivating and the catalyst aluminum chloride gets bonded to the carboxyl group. Uses of carboxylic acid. Methanoic acid is used in rubber, textile, dyeing, leather and electroplating industries. Ethanoic acid is used as solvent and as vinegar in food industry. Hexanedionic acid is used in the manufacture of nylon 66. Esters of benzoic acid are used in perfumery. Sodium benzoate is used as food preservative. Higher fatty acids are used in the manufacture of soaps and detergents. Aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids are some of the important classes of organic compounds containing carbonyl group. These are highly polar molecules, therefore they boil at higher temperatures than the hydrocarbons, and weakly polar compounds such as ethers have comparable molecular masses. The lower members of the same are soluble in water because they form hydrogen bonds with water. The higher members, because of large size of hydrophobic chain of carbon atoms, are insoluble in water but soluble in common organic solvents. Aldehydes are prepared by dehydrogenation or controlled oxidation of primary alcohols and controlled or selective reduction of acyl halides. Aromatic aldehydes may also be prepared by the oxidation of methyl benzene with chromyl chloride, oxyRO3 in the presence of acetic anhydride. Formylation of arenes with carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and cuprous chloride or by hydrolysis of benzyl chloride. Ketones are prepared by oxidation of secondary alcohols and hydration of alkynes. Ketones are also prepared by reaction of acyl chloride with dialkyl cadmium. A good method for the preparation of aromatic ketones is Friedel-Crafts distillation of aromatic hydrocarbons with acyl chlorides and anhydrates. Both aldehydes and ketones can be prepared by ozonolysis of alkenes. Aldehydes and ketones undergo nucleophilic addition reactions onto the carbonyl group with a number of nucleophiles such as HCN, NH3 alcohols, ammonia derivatives and Grignard reagents. The alpha hydrogens in aldehydes and ketones are acidic. Therefore, aldehydes and ketones having at least one alpha hydrogen undergo aldol condensation in the presence of a base to give alpha hydroxyaldehydes and alpha hydroxyketones respectively. Aldehydes having no alpha hydrogen undergo Cannizzaro reaction in the presence of concentrated alkali. Aldehydes and ketones are reduced to alcohols with NaBH4 LiAlF4 or by catalytic hydrogenation. The carbonyl compound of aldehydes and ketones can be reduced to a methylene group by Clemmensen reduction or Wolff-Kishner reduction. Aldehydes are easily oxidized to carboxylic acid by mild oxidizing reagents such as Tollens reagent and Fellings reagent. These oxidation reactions are used to distinguish aldehydes from ketones. Carboxylic acids are prepared by the oxidation of primary alcohols, aldehydes and alkenes, by hydrolysis of nitriles and by treatment of Grignard reagents with carbon dioxide. Aromatic carboxylic acid are also prepared by side chain oxidation or alkyl benzenes. Carboxylic acid are considerably more acidic than alcohols and most of the simple phenols. Carboxylic acid are reduced to primary alcohols of LiAlH4 or better with diborane in ether solution and also undergo alpha halogenation with Cl2 and Br2 in the presence of red phosphorus. Hell-Volhard-Zelinsky reaction, methanol, ethanol, propanone, benzaldehyde, formic acid, acetic acid and benzoic acid are highly useful compounds in industry.